welcome to this video. Today I am so excited because next week I'll be in another country and I'm so happy because a lot of things gonna happen in this country. I just know that it's amazing. I've never been there yet, but so it's gonna be the first time, but I'm gonna have a lot of work to do there, so just full of excitement. I'm so happy about it. I'm not gonna tell you the country yet, but I'm gonna give you some hint during the video, especially at the end of the video, so stay with me. So before I go, I have a lot of things to prepare and also different appointment. The first one I already went yesterday for eyelashes lamination. This is my lashes before. I'm gonna show you after the lamination. I already put on my makeup today, but I didn't put mascara yet because I wanted to show you again the result. This is my lamination, eyelashes lamination. I just love it. And now I'm gonna put the mascara on. Let's put it together so you can see. I'm using this one from Lancome and it's my favorite one. It gives me a natural look that I love. You should buy this too if you want natural eyelashes. I have the mirror there, let me see. Okay, and this is the result with the mascara on. I'm just loving it. It looks like I'm wearing fake eyelashes, but I'm not. So if you love natural look like me, then I recommend to do eyelashes lamination and this mascara. It's a perfect combo. Anyway, today I did mermaid hairstyle, and so today I'll go shopping to buy things that I need to bring with me to this travel. Oh, let's go. Oh, let me show you the outfit for today. I'm gonna put those. Oh my god. I'm gonna put those today. Sit down a bit because it's kind of almost 1 hour that I'm walking and I'm a bit tired. I bought different things. I'm gonna show you everything. Okay guys, so while I was doing shopping, I met my friend and I chose to go to her house after shopping. So I came back home late, but anyway, now I'm gonna show you everything that I bought yesterday. So first of all, I bought this book, The 12 Weeks Year. I love economy books and also productivity book like this. And I just finished to read my other one, the Blue Ocean Strategy. So I need, especially, I love to read while I'm traveling, in the flight, the train, wherever it is. So I was needing a book. I bought like self-care things, like this pimple patch. I need this. Usually pimple come out of nowhere on my neck. I hate it. And also I'm gonna take professional photo in there. And hair care, I bought this hair serum that you have to put before go to sleep. I love it. And let me tell you, I don't know, I didn't try it yet. I don't know if it's worked, but honestly, I already love the smell. For skincare, I bought this, but this one I bought on Amazon and it arrived today, so perfect timing. Hydrating water mist, like this, or keep your, oh my god, I love it. Ooh, I love it. Look at me, I'm glowing. You have to put this during the day when you feel your skin is getting dry. I need this also because where I'm going gonna be so hot and the sun gonna be so strong. I don't want my skin to get dry, so I loved it. I bought this on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link below. Also, I bought wash gum. I still don't know how can I use it actually. I have to watch on TikTok how can I use it. These two makeup sponge. Put this little bag, huge bag. I'm gonna put my skincare product with this. I never use this, but I try it and I just fell in love. I think I'm gonna wear it for my airport outfit. And last but not least, I also bought for gym. I'm gonna search for a gym in there because you know I'm gonna have to go wear swimsuit. I need to be in shape. There's no better way to be in shape wearing cutie stacks. I said what I said. Okay, did you hear me all this time? Okay, now I'm gonna show you. I already prepared what I'm gonna bring, the clothes that I'm gonna bring. I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna also put some photo of the outfit, of some outfit that I know for sure that I'm gonna use. And let's pack together. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with the glow. I love this. I recommend it. Highly recommend it. 10 out of 10. That's cool. Okay, so here we have shorts and t-shirts for stay at home, comfy clothes for home, and pajamas. Here we have pants, long pants. I don't know how much I'm gonna use it because it's gonna be so hot. I don't go nowhere without this. This is gonna be with me forever. It's true religion. Here we have dresses. Look at how many dresses. Also because the place where I'm going, it's so aesthetic. So the vibe gonna match perfectly. I'm really so curious if you can guess where I'm going. Please put in the comment. Write it in the comment because I'm so curious. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And this is also absolutely stunning. One of my favorite dresses. We have these two caps. And here we have this corset that also tops, some tops and some shorts. This is wonderful. This is for put over the swimsuit. This one too. I already said that this was dresses. And of course, gym set. I forgot the white one I just bought. And this cute gym set. And here we have swimsuit. This is the only one because I don't know where the other is. I have to search for them. But anyway, here's
two notebooks, my notebooks that I made it. This one is for self-love. If you're struggling with loving yourself, I highly recommend it to get it. It's on available on Amazon or Etsy. I'm gonna put the link in the description. And also this one I have to study. So for study the language of this country, I'm using this one. It's hard though. It's hard to study a new language. And this language for me is so hard. But anyway, this helped me a lot. Put it here. Okay, I'm gonna show you right now the baggage. Usually I prepare my baggage at the really last. Last time I prepared my baggage the same day as my flight. But the problem is that it was not like 2 or 3 days travel, it was a 3-month travel. And I prepared everything the same day. Like, I'm so serious with this stuff. But oh my god. Not this time I want to be prepared. Also because I've never been to that country before, so I don't know what to expect. So I want to be ready. So I started 1 week before. Never did that in my life. Okay. Wait, let me show you. It's not complete yet. As you can see, there's a lot of space in there. But all of my clothes are washing. Not a lot, like just a bit. Are washing. And also, I'm not gonna put my makeup, skincare stuff yet because I need it. I still need it. I have still 1 week, so I'm gonna still put my face for this week. But I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna bring. The products that I'm using it and that I'm gonna bring for sure. Okay, so for my skincare, I'm gonna bring this cleanser. Also, it's Italian cleanser. So I'm not gonna find in there. This cleanser, I love it. It's so light for sensitive skin, and I have a sensitive skin. And I have my sunscreen, my hair sunscreen that I bought in Korea. This Nivea, but this is special Nivea. This is special. This is mine. No, it's just special because I mix the cream with, I don't remember the name of the product. I'm gonna put it here, and I also mix it with argan oil, and I love it. Usually I use this before go to sleep. Of course, I'm gonna bring the hydrating water that I showed you before, and for skincare, I think that's all. For hair care, the serum as before, and also this hair essence. Smells so good. It smells so good. White floral essence, and I bought also this in Korea. As you can see, in Daiso, it was 2001, kind of like, I don't know, $1.30. China. My makeup product. I think different thing I'm gonna buy there because also it's cheap. There is cheap. I'm really curious if you guess it. That's where I'm going. So hot, tropical weather. Cape, aesthetic vibe. Come on, I said it. I almost said it. I'm gonna be next week. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have a lot of work to do there. But of course, you're gonna see everything. We're gonna come with me. And next week, during the travel, I'm gonna vlog everything. I'm gonna vlog the travel. I'm gonna vlog when I arrive there. Everything. Don't worry because you're gonna come with me. So be excited too because we both gonna go. I was almost to say the country. Anyway, that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please thumbs up and subscribe. I love you so much.